Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that is coming from the site securitycheckpanel.com. So securitycheckpanel.com is a new malicious website that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This pop-up by securitycheckpanel.com claims to be some way or another related to the well-known security program, but the point is that there is no connection between these pop-ups and that well-known security program. The pop-up actually tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. So if you see these fake alerts by securitycheckpanel.com, don't trust them, don't interact with them. Leave this page and disregard its frustrating content. I would recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best solution to obtain its fresh version is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner antivirus is powerful to detect and delete any other possibly hidden malware. So click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner would begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode is provided with several free features. For instance, they are disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. These three free features will help you to improve the performance of your computer, and they will help you to essentially speed up the functionality of your Mac. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threads which were revealed on your computer. You will be able to know the exact locations of threads on the system. Even though some threads can be removed manually, I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to maintain your Mac free of threats and always protected from further malware or adware attacks.